So, introducing myself, I am Nakia Evans. I have been an agent in real estate since 2002. I was first licensed in Maryland and then some other states. I am now only licensed in Maryland and North Carolina. I do have a sales team in Maryland, DC, Virginia, Illinois, Texas, Pennsylvania, North Carolina, and South Carolina. And I am building more agents as well into that sales team. I'm going to give it to you real simple. I'm going to simplify the home buying process with the emphasis on credit readiness, because that is really the foundation of buying a home. So you're going to leave with the information that you need to prepare for the process. Now, probably saying, well, what is the process of buying a home? It's really simply 9 steps to buying a house. All right. First, you're going to find the right agent. Hopefully that's me. That's why I'm here today. Okay. Then you're going to prepare your finances. Then we're going to get you pre-approved. Hopefully that's with Brandon today. That's why we volunteered our time today to give you some information. Then you are going to start home shopping if your credit and finances are ready, right? Once you talk to Brandon and I, and we say you are ready for this process, we'll start looking for a home. Once we find a home that you like or that you love, hopefully, we make an offer on that home. We get a home inspection. We get an appraisal. We schedule you to be moving, and then we move you into your home, okay? It's really that simple. It's that simple because Brandon and I know all the tips and the tricks to get you into your new home. So you don't have to worry about anything except preparing your finances, getting credit ready, and connecting with us too so that we can walk you through the process.